Good day and welcome to the YouTube channel. And today we're going to be discussing something very key. I'm going to show you how to do something very key, which is how to run ads to your WhatsApp. That's your WhatsApp or your messaging app, basically. So it's going to take your leads from Facebook, leads from Instagram, right, and other audience networks into your WhatsApp, right? So you could actually close them. That way, you're actually doing two things at once. So you're achieving two aims at once. One is lead generation, right, and those leads you can basically follow them up. Now, that one of the reasons people do that is because it works better than email marketing, at least here in Nigeria. Most people do not really check their email regularly, but at least almost everybody checks their WhatsApp messages. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go into the video. So we are in my ad manager, and basically you name your campaign. This is also I want to name it. Right. The special category. It's going to be a sales campaign, obviously. Right. So go to the assets. So the asset, this is just magic happens. You're going to pick, instead of picking website or picking apps or picking all this, you're just going to pick messaging apps, right? So you pick messaging apps, right? Then you go down there, then you uncheck Messenger and uncheck Instagram, leaving you with WhatsApp. So you basically go down, right? Then for the performance goal, you should be to maximize the number of conversations. Right? There are two. You could choose either maximize the number of conversations or second goal, which is maximize the number of conversions. Now, conversation will most likely give you much more leads, right? Because Facebook is going to show you as who are most likely to have a conversation with you through messaging. While the other one, the Facebook is we try to deliver as to the right people who will help you get most website conversions as people who are most likely to pay. So I'll prefer to just have so much leads, and so you can upsell them on something else later, even if they don't buy it. So you go through down and set your budget, set your start and end date. Then you go ahead and set your audience, your custom audience, your targeting. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So basically, after doing this, just go to add. Now for the ad, you can either create a new ad, right, or you can use a pre-existing post. Now the reason why most people prefer using a pre-existing post is because with a pre-existing post, it's a post you have actually tested and found out that people engage with it. So it's more like you know what to expect when you finally run the ad with that post. You get, and basically the results of you running the ad with that post will be shown on the platform the post was made, as on Instagram or on Facebook. As it's going to boost that platform. I say so. Now I'm gonna turn off the multiple advertiser ads. Now what this does basically is show your ads alongside other ads, which will not be nice. So for this now, all you have to do is select a post. So when you post from Facebook, what happens is your call to action is default. You can't change it. It will be to send a WhatsApp message. So it's a default action. It cannot be changed, right? For here you cannot change it. But when you do it on Instagram, so when you do it on Instagram, you see the call to action, you can actually edit it. And you can use several call to actions, right? So let me just leave it as send WhatsApp message. So there's something I skipped at the ad set level. So when you're talking about placements as where you want to place your ad, normally Facebook will actually recommend you to use Advantage Plus placement over manual placement, and Advantage Plus placement would actually allow you have some privileges. One of those privileges that you would get to run Facebook ads. However, your cost per impression or cost per lead will be reduced, right? Compared to when you use manual. When you use manual placement, you are literally telling Facebook, I want my ads to be shown on these places. For example, you could uncheck audience network if you don't want it to be shown on audience network. I won't want my ad to be shown on Messenger. Right? So you could also pick places you want them to be seen on both on Facebook and on Instagram. And places you want them to be seen. Like you want Instagram reels, obviously, Facebook reels, right? Video feeds, Instagram profile views, obviously. Right? So basically, you can either choose one of them. But for Advantage Plus placement, Facebook places your ad where it wants it to be, right? So we did a video explaining why it happens and why it doesn't happen and what are the benefits. So you could check our channel for that video. Okay, so what if you are looking, like your goal is engagement? You want to build your WhatsApp page. Like basically you want more followers on WhatsApp per se. You want to build your what's it called? Your number of people that views your status, so you could become a WhatsApp influencer. You could actually run an engagement ad. Right? So now let's look at it. Let's go back to the ad set level or the ad level, sorry, campaign level. So for this you would actually run an engagement ad, which would affect a lot of your changes though. So go back to the asset level, right? You are sending the conversion not on your ads, you are sending them to a messaging ad. I get me. So the conversions you are sending them to a messaging ad or messaging apps. Then you uncheck Messenger and uncheck Instagram. So you'll be left with WhatsApp. Now remember the ad type, you should always leave it on click to message, not sponsored message. Click to message actually, when people see sponsored message, it makes them feel that this is an ad. So click to message gives them a different impression actually. So basically that's basically all you need to do there, right? Then if you go down, you could set this just the normal way to do it, do your proper targeting, either use advantage plus placement or manual placement. Then your ads, you go over and select, right? Go over and either select a an existing post or put in a new ad printing, like basically. So that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to know. So you can go ahead and try this out. And if you feel you need much more knowledge, much more in-depth knowledge, particularly when it comes to targeting and creating custom audience, we actually have a cohort session, like a cohort, which is a monthly Facebook and Instagram ads course or an ads training, where we tutorial of on how to run profitable Facebook ads, not just running ads, right? Or running ads that bring 4 times, 5 times the ROI. Right. So if you're interested in that, click the link in the description below. We will take you to a consultation where you can book a consultation to discuss that. Right. So basically that's all we have for you today.